Welcome back to Pantherwave. And we just made this cruise. So we went from Tacoma to Bremerton, Washington. And we took the Bremerton ferry over to Seattle. And then we're about to make a little road trip to a burger joint. So let's come along ride. This is gonna be pretty neat. Just go ahead and show you what we're looking at right now on the ferry. Like I said, we got Ghost Vic here right in front of us. And we got P71 Dave sitting right there. I wish we could have got all of us together. So there's two more cars on the other side behind me over here. But so this is just something to do with a car meet. Like I say, take the ferry together, cruise up. The sun is out. It was raining. So like I said, we about to hit this road, hit to the burger joint, go through the city. Hopefully we can get some rolling footage.